Arrive in style with this 2003 Toyota Tacoma. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 190 horsepower, 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, automatic transmission, bed length, 74.5, 4-wheel drive, passenger airbag, cancelable and speed proportional power steering. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.